Hi, today I'm with me Oppo A77 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So open first the settings application and then scroll to the sounds and vibration section. You'll see here first the silent mode switcher. Just to activate silent mode or to turn it off, you should click on the switcher. Once the silent mode is activated, we can see that our ringtones and notifications they are muted. When we'll turn it off, the ringtones and notifications they will ring. If you want to activate the don't disturb mode or to turn it off, you should use the switcher. We could set the schedule, also the start, the end time of the D&D mode to allow the notifications, messages, calls from anyone, contacts, start contacts only from no one, to silence media in don't disturb mode. Here we got the volume section with the media, ringtone notifications and alarm volume panels. Just to change the volumes here, we should slide to the left or to the right side these dark dots on these volume panels. Here we could change the ringtone and notification sounds. To activate it, turn off the vibration on ring, on silent, and in haptics and tone section we could activate and turn off the system haptics, and to use the dial pattern, screen lock, unlock sounds, screenshot, deletion and touch sounds, or to turn them off just by use the switchers. Let's go back, tap to real original sound technology. Here we could switch it from smart to movie, game or music, and go back, and in advanced settings we got here the volume button function. So now we have selected the media volume, and this means that with the help of the volume buttons we'll change the media. When you'll switch it to the ringtone one, with the help of the volume buttons you'll change the ringtone. So let's try one more time to see how. Here are the medias, this is the ringtones. And also we got here default recorder, so we can switch the settings from auto select to add on and to use in-ear monitoring option. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.